Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Tanzania and all of African continent. At a height of 19,341 feet, it's the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. Every year, more than 50,000 climbers attempt Kilimanjaro, generating about $50 million revenue to the Tanzanian economy. Kilimanjaro has been in controversy the last couple of years. That is when Tanzania Tourism Ministry unveiled a plan in the year 2019 to install cable car on Mount Kilimanjaro, which was later officially approved by the government in the year 2020. The idea of the cable car project, costing about $72 million, was to boost the tourism by way of attracting more visitors. As per the project design, the cable car route would start from near the Machame Gate at roughly 5,900 feet and end at Shira Plateau at roughly 12,100 feet, giving about 6,200 feet of elevation ride to its passengers. Cable cars, also known as gondolas, in high altitude mountains are not new. Merida Gondola in Venezuela and Aiguille du Midi in France are already very popular among the tourists and the locals. While the cable car project would boost the tourism and economy to an extent, it has raised many questions among the local porters, tour operators, and the environmentalists. They are expressing concerns over the impact on the environment resulting from the digging of the mountain, cutting the trees, overcrowding, and etc. These projects would urbanize the mountain and change the landscape. They fear the cable car project would also hit the livelihoods of about 200,000 porters and workers. Associations like TATO are against the cable car project from the beginning. However, the uncertainty over the project is still prevailing. Few months ago, Tourism Minister iterated that the cable car project was a well-intentioned decision. But at the same time, the Tanzanian Prime Minister expressed that it will cost the country jobs and also affect the mountain environment. Well, we have to wait and see for the project's outcome.